Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I have a video for you for a recipe called yogurt cake. It's something I found recently and it's really easy, only 3 ingredients. We need eggs, yogurt, and cornstarch. If you are going to use like a plain yogurt, you will need a 4th and maybe 5th ingredient. I'm doing a vanilla yogurt today, so it is already sweetened, but if you're using plain, you might need some sugar or your preferred sweetener. You can keep it low carb by adding some erythritol or xylitol or even stevia or something like that, and maybe some vanilla extract if you prefer that. But today I've got a already sweetened yogurt, and we're going to use 1.5 cups and put that into our mixing bowl. And next we're going to add 4 eggs. And we're going to whisk until there are no lumps left. And then it's time for the last ingredient, which is 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And again, we're going to whisk this until there are no lumps. It'll be smooth like a regular cake batter. And once our batter is ready, we're going to get our baking pan and a sheet of parchment paper, and we're just going to crumble it up. I'm going to crumble it up twice, and that's just supposed to help the parchment paper kind of mold to the pan more easily. And we'll just do our best here to get it to shape to the pan and kind of fold over. I have these like pre-cut sheets that are just about the perfect size, but you can definitely use the roll and cut it to size. And once this is ready for the oven, it's going to go into a 350-degree oven for 35 to 50 minutes. This one actually ended up baking about 40 minutes. And here's what it should look like once it's all cooked. There should be no like divots down in the middle. Yeah, and then it deflates pretty quickly once you take it out of the oven. And then here I have left it in the fridge for about 2 hours to cool off, and it's ready to serve. So I really enjoyed making this recipe for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. It was just super simple ingredients, things I almost always have in the fridge. And after I gave it a taste, I thought like this would be really good for like a brunch type meal, paired with some strawberries. Or if you wanted to make it savory, you could definitely use a plain yogurt and just add salt and maybe some seasonings. And it's kind of got like a quiche-like texture, but a little bit thicker because of the cornstarch. So yeah, I decided to pair it with some strawberries, and it makes just a really nice light breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe video. If you did, please leave a comment down below, and if you happen to make it, let me know what you think. And if you have any variations you'd like to suggest for other subscribers down in the comments, please do that. We love to hear like how people tweak the recipes and make it their own. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. And tag me in your photos of the recipes you create. I love to see them, and I love to share them to my stories. All right, guys, thanks so much again. Have an awesome day.